Federal prosecutor Damian Williams stated that the government is attempting to seize custody of 3 of SBF's associated Binance accounts, even though the majority of SBF's assets have already been seized. Sam Bankman Fried, the disgraced founder of FTX, will have his assets worth almost $700 million forfeited if he is found guilty of fraud, according to recent court documents. Today's video is on if SBF is found guilty of fraud, $700 million in assets would be forfeited. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. So, watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So, let's begin the video. U.S. Federal Prosecutor Damian Williams stated that the government respectfully gives notice that the property subject to seizure covers a large list of assets encompassing currencies, shares, and cryptocurrency in a court filing filed on January 20th. According to the documents, the government seized the majority of the assets between January 4th and January 19th, and it is attempting to claim all cash and assets associated with 3 different Binance accounts. The largest holdings on the list of confiscated assets are 55,273,469 shares of Robinhood, which are currently valued at about $525.5 million, $94.5 million held by Silvergate Bank, $49.9 million by Farmington State Bank, and $20.7 million by EDNF Man Capital Markets Incorporated. In this case, the government has requested a forfeiture order because it claims that these assets were obtained illegally by using customer deposits. While members of SBF's inner circle, including Gary Wang and Caroline Ellison, have confessed and worked with investigators on their involvement in FTX's demise, the individual has pleaded not guilty to all 8 of the counts brought against him. In other FTX-related news, a Wall Street Journal article from January 18 revealed subpar marketing that the exchange published in Africa just before it filed for bankruptcy in November. If you are still watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe, as that motivates us to bring more videos like this for you. In addition to highlighting USD-pegged stablecoins as less prone to inflation than local currencies, the aforementioned campaign also highlighted the opportunity to earn 8% a year through staking reward schemes. Given the sharp decline in African currencies like the Nigerian naira and Ghanaian cedi versus the US dollar, those inflation feelings may usually be accurate, but any African FTX customers who were persuaded by the marketing of course lost money when the company filed for bankruptcy. According to Pius Okadinachi, a former FTX education lead for Africa, the exchange controlled about $500 million in monthly trading volume in the continent, with Nigeria accounting for the majority of that amount. Notably, SBF also pushed FTX's services to West Africa just 8 days before FTX declared bankruptcy, tweeting on November 3 that the exchange had begun accepting deposits in West African CFA francs. Share about your thoughts in the comment section below to let us know. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay fit in health and wealth.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.